I love you, BB. How long are you gonna grow your hair out, dude?
2 months is when I'm gonna donate it.
When are you gonna donate it?
Once it gets 3 more inches, then I'm gonna cut 10 inches off and donate it for lots of love.
Holy shit, dude, it's gonna be so short.
Yeah, man. But you know, it's still gonna be chin length because it's gonna be so long when I donate it. So I figured, why not, right?
Right.
And I'll have someone that's bald. I mean, that might be a way to fucking look at it bad, but I think it's pretty good.
I think it'd look pretty sweet.
Mhm.
It'd feel really good too. It'd be really light.
Exactly, man. So, fuck it, I'll give my hair to them. Other people can figure out their own way.
What way?
Some way to get someone to donate their hair to them. But
Who-
I'll just get my friends too.
Who would
That's
you,
all.
if you could choose anybody to donate your hair to, who would you do? Like, who would you donate it to?
Like my personal hair to someone.
Mm-hmm.
Family, probably mom. Straight up.
Is she losing her hair?
Yeah.
Mom is losing her hair?
I don't know.
But she's not losing her hair.
I'm never home anymore. I work. And then I come home and I go to work, out to sleep.
Is
and
she
then I go to
going
sleep.
bald?
I don't know.
Why would you donate your hair to her if she's not going bald?
Just fuck it, when she does go bald, she'll need someone's hair. Right? Yeah.
What's that cartoon character's name from Bugs Bunny that's just red and furry, like
Elmer Fudd.
just like
Elmer Fudd is bald.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck, I guess I'm a little bit off. He's like
Just
the
a
one that's,
little.
I'm hunting rabbits. Right?
but
Yarrow.
Yeah.
Just wait till you see this in the morning.
Are you videotaping right now?
Oh,